Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron. Today we're going to review the features and benefits of the XR version 201. Version 201 will be compatible with your XR 150 and 550 series control panels. One feature that we've added to the XR series control panels is the quick cell conversion. We all know that the 3G sunset is upon us. As your teams are updating those 3G modems to newer LTE modems, we want to make sure that they can do this as quickly as possible. What the feature will do is, as your technicians are swapping the 3G modem to an LTE modem, we will make sure that the old one gets deactivated for you. We will make sure that the appropriate rate plan gets assigned to your new LTE modem, and a system communications test will be automatically run and notify your technician on site through the keypad that that test has been completed. It's a very hands-off process and makes it extremely easy for your technicians. We've also added new custom action enhancements. Let's take a look at how to set those up within the virtual keypad app. Once connected, I'm going to navigate to Custom Actions. Tap the menu button in the top right-hand corner. Select Actions, tap Custom in the center of the screen, and then tap the Add button in the top left-hand corner. Choose Add, and this will allow us to set up a custom action. As you can see, one of the new options here is System Action. Let's take a look at that. I'll tap on System Action. I will select Choose Action. We now have a list of different system actions that will trigger your custom actions. What you've been used to is selecting a zone that will trigger your custom action. So let's say you want to unlock your front door an hour after your system has been disarmed on weekdays. Let's look at how we could set that up. I will choose Disarmed, choose Doors, enable your entry door, then choose the unlock state. Now let's program the 1 hour delay, and let's schedule this. I want this to occur only on weekdays. So I will deselect Sunday and Saturday. Now that we have that built, let's name it. Let's go ahead and save that custom action. That's how easy it is to program your new custom actions. This version is available for download through Dealer Direct on the DMP website. It's also available in Dealer Admin. Make sure you're taking advantage of the bulk firmware update feature to get all your panels on 201 to take advantage of these features. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your business.